on the way to we're これ入れないでね。
いいよいいよ。
We're on the way to go pick up the rarest wheels. So one of my subscriber hit me up. He was wondering if I'm interested to buy it, and I was talking to him back and forth, and finally pulled the trigger. And now here we are. I decided to go buy it on the way to his house to go pick it up. I'm stoked. Pretty sure you guys can guess it. Saying by the rarest wheels. I'll give you guys a hint. It's a 3-piece, and then it's not great sizing. So I gotta get help from VR Wheels from State to get it all freshened up and build. I don't know what I gonna put it on, what car I gonna install it on, but I just couldn't pass this deal. So stay tuned. And after we get the wheels, we're gonna go meet up with my dad and go ride the mini bikes at the circuit. I never done this like road bike, and it's kind of mini. It's only 50cc, but it's like small version of bullet bikes, and go kind of have fun. See you guys to the wheels. We're almost there. Man,
待って待って待って。
oh, here. Okay. So here's the wheel. Blitz 03. Finally. You always had this?
Yeah, I had this 3 years ago. This, and I want to see this in your videos. I'm so happy.
Thanks,
So,
man.
there's a lot of person that they wanna buy this price. No, I think they don't deserve it anymore. やっぱコータの方が最高かなと。
ありがとう。Yeah, I'll build it. I can use this tire too. I have a T17T that I haven't got tired for.
It's Josh T.
No, I have my own. I haven't showed on the video.
Yeah.
I have bronze T. You never had a center cap, huh?
Yeah.
It's so hard to find
Yeah,
center
yeah.
caps.
I tried to bought but it's 10万。
10万だね。
やばいよ。
4個で10万。
いや、いらないな。
Hey, if any of you guys have center cap for Blitz, let me know. Or if you have some, if you have some you want to sell, let me know. I'm in search of that center cap. It's so hard to find.
So hard, it's so rare.
I'll pay you. Thank you.
あ、よかった。はい、出ました。
じゃあねー。ありがとう。Oh, what do you guys think? I finally got Blitz 03. One of my favorite wheel, I would say. And I am still debating how I gonna build it to 17 non-step or step flip to 18. I'm gonna build it. What do you guys think? Chrome face or paint it to some color? I can't decide. Comment down below if I should chrome my face or paint it. Comment down below if you have suggestion to make it 17 or 18. But we are on the way to this little bike circuit to meet up with my dad and gonna ride those mini bikes at first time in my life. So see you guys at that circuit. It wasn't bad driving. It wasn't that bad of driving. Less than an hour. We got off the freeway, highway. We're almost there to the Nakai circuit. Oh, right next to the freeway, highway again.
Stop.
Yeah, I think. Oh, here's the track. Alright, we're here. Here's the cameraman. They got cart going on. Thank you. 'Tis the gear my dad let me use. It's pretty tight, but I'm riding these bikes today. Let's see how it goes. My dad's going out. I'm gonna borrow this bike. Gonna watch them first. This track is pretty small, but probably perfect for these mini bikes. Well, backstory, I raced motocross as a pro in Japan and I raced in United States as a pro amateur. I've been riding motocross since 4 to 21 or so. So like 18 years I raced motocross, but I never rode these like road bikes. So I'm kind of nervous on the road, but let's see how it goes. Sure, it's fun. My dad loves it. And I never wore this kind of racing gear. I know this is really old, my dad's old one. It's like retro, but it's really uncomfortable. Domo. New hobby, I guess. There they goes. The homie's fast. Riding. Here comes my dad. Let's see you drag the knee. It was super fun, but the leather gear was a little too tight on me, so homie let me use his extra one. So it feels a lot nicer. They have a like a kid's cart going on. They look tight too. I want this. This looks so fun. I gotta go out again trying to drag knees, I guess. It's so different riding form than motocross because you lean in with these bikes. Motocross, like, it's opposite when you're turning. It's fun. Thank you, Lino, for filming for me, even though it's hot today.
どういたしまして。
Thank you, and editing. I dragged me. Finally got hang of it. It was fun. Well, that was fun riding a different bike I never rode before. Was able to drag knees and put some laps in. I'm pretty beat. We woke up early, travel a little over 2 hours away and came back went to circuit. Now we're on the way home. Full day. Comment down below what I should do with the Blitz, how I should build it. And don't forget to smash the like button. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.